No, I look fat. Hi, guys. I'm not gonna say hey, guys. Hi. Hi. I am going to do my makeup for you guys. All of you Vogue readers and you Vogue bloggers and you Vogue fans. We're gonna have some fun today, so I hope you're ready. We're gonna start with the foundation. So I like to get messy with it.
All right, let's get messy. So I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty foundation. Okay, so Rihanna puts it on the back of her hand. And then taking the sponge, I'm gonna apply this all over.
This I just like because it's like a safe bet. It's consistent. Okay, that's only half of my face. I can do my makeup in 10 minutes or 10 hours if.
Yes, girl, yes.
My next step is gonna be a little bit of contour.
So we're gonna use espresso.
Mocha here to contour right here. Very important to contour your face for your face, not the way you see on every YouTube tutorial, because everybody has a different shape. I have a huge forehead, so I like to go in a little deeper down here, hide that, you know what I'm saying? Very important to go into the hairline too, because I hate to see that white line between your forehead and your hair. You should just blend in naturally. And up and down the nose. Contour always starts off looking absolutely crazy. Hide that double chin. Yes. I learned how to contour when I gained weight, believe it or not. That's when it comes in real handy. I like to do all the deeper situations before I go in and like highlight my face. I see like this is a little messy right now, but I'll handle that. Now you always want to do a triangle when you're doing a concealer. This I actually like to warm up on my hand first.
Okay, so we're gonna take latte. We're gonna warm it up.
Just like that?
Just like that.
And then like one little swipe. Everybody knows concealer's made for hiding bags and dark circles and hangovers and bad decisions. All right here, the cure. You know who I'm going to see. It all determines what kind of makeup I do. And down that nose bridge. Mattifying this face a little bit because things can get out of control. I use this powder to set my contour, to set my makeup, to blot. Oh my gosh, when you get greasy on the fly, honey, it is no joke. Always in my purse. I can never leave home without this. And if it doesn't fit in my purse, then I'm changing my purse. I need to warm up this face a little bit. So I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer and I go right over that contour. The blend is real. A little more finesse on the forehead over here. You guys can see it's not that difficult. It only takes me long when I'm procrastinating. Brows. And next, I am gonna use the same bronzer and warm up my eyes a little bit.
Rihanna, what bronzer is this? We're not gonna know?
You can see my eye just start to come to life a little bit. See that? I have been watching women do makeup, since my mom. And my nose contour. Because I'm black, you know, that's a very special nose. Next is going to be a little bit of eyelid drama. Beach, please. Beach, please.
Use this color.
Get it?
My eyes get a little...
Yeah. So I'm
gonna start
just
with
gonna use her Galaxy palette because that's all I have, and I'm gonna use this. Let's see. I'm gonna use this shade right here, all over my lid.
That was easy. I always like to warm up underneath my eyes, give it a little definition. What kind of day I'm having really determines how I'm gonna apply this. Most days you just wanna go right by the lash line. But like a day like today where I've barely had any sleep, you wanna get all those little bags right there. But the creases, they show up. If they're there, they're gonna show up. Like, see that right there? Now I have to blend that out. This is the fun part. I'm gonna use the same palette. Blush is also something that depends on your mood. You know, sometimes you're trying to give a little natural vibe, give a little bronze, like a little hint. And then sometimes you just want to go ape, like right now. Like, I want to give you guys a vibe. And my vibe for summer is more is more.
More is more.
You definitely want to smile when you're putting on your blush. Here's your face, and there are your cheeks. See? As soon as you smile, you know exactly where to put that. But it's a cheek hugging brush. It's made perfectly for your cheeks. I want to try some of this. See that? And I can get really carried away when it comes to highlight.
That looks so good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. So I'm gonna use Mean Hustler Baby. Hustler Baby. Try to I went ham.
Highlight, I'm really good. I layer highlighters all the time. There's a technique to it. You just have to figure out what kind of look you're going for. And the colors need to make sense together and blend together. This is like, whoa, this is giving me my life right now. Highlight my nose bridge. With the same brush.
Boom.
Boom. I like to do the corner of my eyes because it gives you a little zest or oomph, as a lot of people like to call it. Look at that. Lashes.
Put some lashes on because Rihanna want to go and...
Next, I want to do lips. This looks fresh, like it's in the vein of what I'm trying to do. It looks pink right here. You see a little bit of gold? Look how much it really shows up. Oh!
And I'm going to top it with the gloss bomb to get that effect.
Guys, I mean,
think
you
that's
guys.
pretty close, right?
Look at that. And the final step is body. I know you guys know how much. It's a brand new one. I know you guys know how much I love this product. I do need this kabuki brush because this is where the magic lies. The inspiration behind the body lava, for me, I always used to go to the Caribbean, home, Barbados where I'm from, and every single time I would sit there and make body glitter makeup with like, it is glorious. Look at it.
Voila.
I think I'm ready. Woo! Where are we going tonight?
Oh my gosh. That is the entire look.
I hope you enjoy my tutorial because I'm done.
So that was the entire look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely had fun following Rihanna's makeup tutorial. I definitely would do this look over. It looks really nice and fresh. And I'm actually pretty impressed because we're looking snatched out here, huh? Okay, badgalriri. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.